Can I use Gemini without verification? Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that I'm sure a lot of you are interested in. Can you use Gemini without verification? I know that Gemini is a powerful AI model that can be used for a variety of tasks, from writing to coding to generating images. But it's also important to be aware of the potential risks associated with using AI models. In this video, I'm going to discuss the different types of verification that Gemini requires, the potential risks of using Gemini without verification, and some tips for using Gemini safely. What is Gemini? Before we get into the details of verification, let's take a quick look at what Gemini is. Gemini is a large language model developed by Google AI. It is trained on a massive dataset of text and code, and it is able to generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. Gemini requires two types of verification. Age verification. Gemini is only available to users who are 18 years or older. This is because AI models can be used to create harmful content, and age verification helps to protect children from this content. Account verification. In order to use Gemini, you will need to create a Google account. This account will be used to verify your identity and to track your usage of Gemini. Risks of using Gemini without verification. There are a number of risks associated with using Gemini without verification. These risks include exposure to harmful content. As I mentioned earlier, AI models can be used to create harmful content. If you use Gemini without verification, you may be exposed to this content. Data privacy concerns. Gemini collects and stores data about your usage. If you use Gemini without verification, you may be putting your privacy at risk. Security risks. Gemini is a powerful tool, and it can be used to carry out malicious activities. If you use Gemini without verification, you may be putting yourself at risk of security threats. If you want to use Gemini, it is important to do so safely. Here are a few tips. Use age verification. Make sure that you are 18 years or older before using Gemini. Create a Google account. Create a Google account to verify your identity and track your usage of Gemini. Be aware of the risks. Be aware of the potential risks associated with using Gemini without verification. Use Gemini responsibly. Use Gemini responsibly and ethically. Gemini is a powerful AI model that can be used for a variety of tasks. However, it is important to be aware of the potential risks associated with using it without verification. By following the tips in this video, you can help to ensure that you use Gemini safely and responsibly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.